Welcome to Navigating Communication. In this video, we will reveal the different ways in which you can communicate and participate in the online classroom. We will talk about chat, discussions, check marks, and assignment submissions. First, it is important to understand the different ways in which you can communicate online. Sometimes instructors and students will be online at the same time, either by chance or because the instructor arranged the class to be in real time. When we are communicating in this way, where everyone is logged on at the same time, this type of communication is called synchronous communication. Instructors can use various tools to conduct synchronous classroom sessions. If they elect to communicate in this way, they will show you how, what to do, and when to do it. In Momentum, there is only one tool for synchronous communication, and that tool is chat. To use chat, simply click on Communication, and then Chat, and you'll see you have the option to either start a new chat, or to enter one that's already been started. To start a new chat, click on New Chat, label your chat, write out what you want to say. Once you start a chat, other students have the choice to enter the chat if they want, and if they are also online at that same time. Once you enter a chat, you will be able to see the other classmates who are in there, and you guys can talk in real time. That being said, a majority of communication and classroom learning experiences do not happen in real time when learning online. When classmates and instructors are logged on and participating at different days and times, this type of communication is called asynchronous communication. If you feel you need an immediate response from an instructor, they will delineate the best way to contact them in their respective syllabi. In Momentum, the asynchronous communication tool is the discussion board. The discussion board is generally how and where students receive participation points. As we can see in Module 1, instructors may ask you to participate in discussion. In order to participate, click on Introductions, and then click on Start a New Thread to reply to the discussion posting. The reason this button is labeled Start a New Thread is because instructors and students have the ability to respond to your post, similar to an email thread. Each student's initial reply will appear as a new thread in the discussion, and we will show you what we mean and how this works now. When starting a new thread, a good practice is to change the subject line to your name and the discussion heading, for example, Eric Belt and Introductions. This way, the instructors and other classmates can easily read who posted the information and what it is about. Then type in your response, and you'll notice that there are features to add links and videos, and most importantly, a spell checker in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll want to get in the habit of checking your submissions for spelling each time you submit. Next, we will show you what a discussion board looks like when a couple of different students have started new threads. To start this thread, click on Post. On the bottom of the screen, you will notice the icon that popped up that said Thread Completed Successfully. Right now, the discussion board only has one post from one student. Let's see what it looks like when we add some other posts. A good example is to see what happens if another student were to start a thread. So you started your thread down here. Say another student logs on and they start a thread. Their name could be Steve Baker, Introductions, and Test. Then Steve posts. After Steve posts his introduction, you can see it as a new thread here, along with some other students who have posted their introductions. As you can see, changing the title of your thread really helps readers navigate the discussion board. Replying to a discussion thread is sometimes a requirement for participation. In order to reply to a thread, simply click on the thread, then click Reply to Thread, and then type in your response. It is important to recognize that reply automatically includes the initial thread posting, much like an email thread. To help your instructor and classmates save screen space and read the thread more easily, students should get in the habit of deleting the initial post in their replies. Here is an example of a reply with the initial post and one without. As you can see, it is not necessary to include the initial post in your reply because it only creates clutter and sometimes confusion. It's much easier to read when you delete that initial post. Navigating back to the initial discussion by clicking back to Topic, we can see at the bottom of the page a subsection entitled Activity Details. This section tells you the task you have to complete to receive a check mark. If the task reads View this topic, simply clicking on a topic merits a check mark. If the task reads Reply to this topic, students have to reply to the discussion to receive a check mark. As you can see, there is a check mark next to Introductions now that we have replied to the topic. If the task reads Submit to Complete Assignment, students will have to submit their assignment to the Dropbox, and we will review how to do this now. To do this, click on Module 2, Scroll down to the online learning essay. You'll notice the icon next to the title is a Dropbox icon. Click on the link. In order to submit an assignment, click on Upload. This will allow you to explore your computer and find the right file. Once found, click the file and click Open. It is important to note that you have not submitted the assignment yet. There is an option to add additional comments. However, it is usually not necessary. Once completed, click on the Submit to Dropbox. Now you will receive a check mark under the Assignment tab, and you can click on the Dropbox to view the submissions. Here you will see the assignment, the number of submissions, only one is necessary, usually the due date, feedback from the instructor, and the score on the assignment. We hope you enjoyed this 4-part video series on momentum navigation, and we thank you for watching.